Where are you? Boo! Ooh. Where are you, Kylie? Boo! That. Oh, where are you? Boo!
Baby's out camping.
Boo.
Baby.
Hey, I see something open. Can you hold this for 20 seconds? I see something open. What?
There's Zippo.
Who opened it?
I don't know.
You didn't? Latrave?
What?
Did you open the zipper back there? In the back of the tent?
Well,
Are you sure it was open, William?
I just saw it when Carly was laying down.